जौहर की फिल्म स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर 2 का ट्रेलर रिलीज हो चुका है, जो लोगों को खूब पसंद आ रहा है। इस फिल्म में टाइगर श्रॉफ, अनन्या पांडे और तारा सुतारिया लीड रोल में नजर आएंगे। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, इस फिल्म के जरिए तारा सुतारिया और अनन्या पांडे बॉलीवुड में डेब्यू करने वाली हैं, जिस वजह से लोगों को इस फिल्म से काफी उम्मीदें हैं। बता दें कि ट्रेलर के रिलीज होने से पहले फिल्म के पोस्टर रिलीज किए गए थे, लेकिन उसके बाद ट्रेलर ने आते ही सोशल मीडिया पर धमाल मचाना शुरू कर दिया। बता दें कि फिल्म के ट्रेलर को YouTube पर 24 घंटे के अंदर 25 मिलियन से ऊपर व्यूज मिल चुके हैं और इस बात की जानकारी खुद करण जौहर ने ट्विटर के जरिए दी है। ट्रेलर को मिले व्यूज को देखकर तो ऐसा ही लगता है कि लोगों को फिल्म का ट्रेलर काफी पसंद आ रहा है, तभी तो फिल्म का ट्रेलर YouTube पर ट्रेंड करने लगा। इसी के साथ आपको ये भी बताते चलें कि हाल ही में मल्टी स्टारर फिल्म कलंक का ट्रेलर रिलीज हुआ था, जिसने 24 घंटे में महज 12 मिलियन व्यूज हासिल किए थे। तो इस हिसाब से देखा जाए तो स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर 2 के ट्रेलर ने आते ही एक बड़ा रिकॉर्ड तोड़ डाला है। बता दें कि टाइगर के इस फिल्म में दर्शकों को प्यार से लेकर रोमांस, ड्रामा, एक्शन सब देखने को मिलेगा और सबसे खास बात तो ये है कि फिल्म में हॉलीवुड एक्टर विल स्मिथ भी नजर आने वाले हैं, जिसकी जानकारी भी करण जौहर ने ही ट्विटर के जरिए दी थी। बॉलीवुड फिल्म में हॉलीवुड एक्टर का साथ देखना वाकई काफी दिलचस्प होगा। धर्म प्रोडक्शन के बैनर तले बन रही ये फिल्म 10 मई को रिलीज होगी। अगर आपने फिल्म का ट्रेलर देख लिया है तो हमें कमेंट करके जरूर बताएं कि आपको ये ट्रेलर कैसा लगा।
Everywhere. Ananya, I can't believe that I'm seeing you on stage. Like, I feel like I'm getting all kinds of daddy feelings here. Because I've literally seen Ananya play in this little garden at Mannat, running around with the other kids, with Aryan and Suhana and everybody else. And now she's looking beautiful and a lead actress in this film. What is it feeling like, Ananya?
It feels like a dream. I've seen so many interviews of other people at their trailer launches, and I've just like, I can't imagine that I'm here, and this feels so weird, like everyone's like this during trailer launches, and it's actually like that, so I just have no words. I hope you all enjoyed the trailer.
They're enjoying as we speak, and Tiger. You're so strong in your skill set and everything you do. When you face the camera, it's like you were born for it. And today when you see yourself up there, what does it feel like for the love coming your way as well?
First of all, thank all of you for giving me so much more than I deserve. So thank you all for the love. And it's because of you that I have the strength to fly. So thank you so much for being my strength. It feels I truly don't believe that I was born for this. I've really put in a lot of effort, and I credit it all to the people I work with, my team. For example, in this case, you and Puneet, and of course the dynamic duo over here. So it's a huge team effort, and I'm very, very grateful that I've got this opportunity to finally work with Dharma. It's my first film, and what better film than Student of the Year to start off my collaboration with you.
All right, Tiger. Okay, now that's Tiger saying all the right things. Now we've got to get some wrong things out of this. Okay, that's our endeavor today, which I tried very hard on 2 seasons of my show. I managed a little bit on the 2nd season because he was squeezed between these 2 wonderful girls. And was that a good feeling, Tiger? Before I open it up the house, what was their dynamic like in your life? Such a serious thought before that.
No, it was genuinely, I had a lot of fun. I felt like I wasn't working with two newcomers. They just so
Who was more fun?
Who's more fun? Both of them have their moments.
Which moment with who did you like the most?
Puneet, you want to answer this one?
Puneet has had his fair share of moments, but with other people. We will talk about Puneet.
That's not fair. Tiger enjoyed the moment. He should answer.
Alright, we won't put him on the spot anymore. I think if he blushes anymore, it will look like he's looking one big tomato. Alright, let me tell you. questions to all of you. Here we have the producers, the director, and the wonderful lead cast of Student of the Year.
कितना खास है आप लोगों के लिए इस दिन का कितना बेसब्री से इंतजार अनन्या and तारा
Firstly, I just want to thank the media and all the photographers. You have been so kind to me and so warm. And this day, honestly, it's like a dream. I still feel like I'm going to wake up in the morning and like, I don't know, this is not going to be real. So this is very, very, very surreal for me. And I'm just too grateful. Karan and Puneet and I just have...
As long as you keep coming out of airports and gyms, the photographers and members of the media will be very kind to you. Don't worry about it. Just keep that exit going. All right, Tara.
No, I think like Ananya said, हम सब के लिए today has been so special. बहुत ही खास दिन है हम सब के लिए. We're very excited. I'm so happy to see the reaction of everyone to the trailer, and we're just so excited for the film. So thank you guys so much for coming out today. It means the world.
and टाइगर जी बहुत ही अच्छा ट्रेलर है लेकिन जब भी कोई लड़की आपको प्रिंसेस बुलाती है तो क्या
देखो मुझे तो आदत है बचपन से मैं मेरी बहन के साथ बहुत झगड़ता था तो she used to bully me in these ways. So yeah, it's not the first time.
टाइगर दिस साइड
Sorry, कहाँ पर? Yeah.
मेरा प्रश्न ये है कि किस तरीके की जो मतलब क्योंकि लोगों ने स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर पहला सीनियर का ये दूसरा है तो इसमें एक बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज है कि आपको इसको और भी बेटर करना है तो आपने उसको कैसे
देखो बेटर तो मैं कंपेयर नहीं करना चाहूँगा हम लोग एक अलग पिक्चर बनाए ऑल टुगेदर आई थिंक यू विल हैव द फ्लेवर्स ऑफ स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर वन डेफिनेटली बट टू ऐड टू दैट I've done my best to bring in what people know me for, and I've sort of gotten a little tigerism to my character, and I'm very thankful to Puneet who gave me a lot of scope to express myself in that manner. And इस फिल्म में अगर आपने ट्रेलर में नोट किया तो the sports that we have are very different. We're introducing kabaddi, I think, for the first time on celluloid in Bollywood. So I think that's a very interesting one. Thank you. That's it.
Hi everyone. क्या था आप लोगों ने कल
अरे डायलॉग किसने बोले थे तुमने हंसी नहीं बोले थे तुम ही जवाब दे दो मेरे डायलॉग पे कोई तालियां नहीं
Well, it's a fantastic feeling. Again, I'd like to credit the makers for that. It was Puneet's brainchild, and this line "Din tera tha saal mera hoga" was stemmed from him. So thank you, Puneet sir, for giving me that dialogue.
I also want to tell you the film is co-directed by Tiger.
Yeah, so I wanted to get to that, man. Can I just take a question in as
do
well?
not believe all
so
of this.
I just want to know behind this, and I'm going to ask the girls and Puneet this. Behind this good boy Visage, what's really ticking?
It's the biggest scam. It's the biggest scam.
It's a scam. Let the girls answer. हाँ क्या है ये good boy एकदम सच्चाई है reality है
सच्चाई नहीं है इसके पीछे काफी चीजें हैं जो मतलब ये दिखाता नहीं है
एक सेकंड आपको क्या लगता है आपको लगता है झूठ
आप बोलिए
he is very sweet I would say that but he is also very naughty I think if you leave him to this boy the biggest drag in Student of the Year is Tiger Shroff
Karan, in Coffee with Karan episode we saw their chemistry, girls' chemistry, but there was a lot about
stand in for me and give my shots alongside अगर romantic scene होता था तो
Not the romantic scenes.
के सामने he used to perform and then I used to come in and do the
and
take.
apparently he took very long in the rehearsals. Is it true?
There were quite a few takes for the
Okay.
rehearsal.
टाइगर मेरे आपसे सवाल है
हाँ जी हाँ
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कांग्रेचुलेशन टू ऑल ऑफ यू फॉर द फैंटास्टिक ट्रेलर मेरा आपसे सवाल ये यू आर द न्यूएस्ट स्टूडेंट ऑफ द बैच मतलब इस फ्रेंचाइजी को अगर हम बैच की तरफ बोले
all three of us
या ऑल थ्री ऑफ अस सो मेरा आपसे सवाल है कि अगर पिछले बैच से अगर वरुण और सिद्धार्थ के साथ आपको कंपटीशन करना पड़े तो कौन से ऐसे वो खेल होंगे जिसमें आप उनके साथ compete करना चाहोगे आप चैलेंज करना चाहोगे And you can't be like I can't compete with them. You have to say
I can't be. इसने बनाए
अरे
ये अच्छा you can't be. I'm just joking.
I think Tiger had a bit of a advantage in this case actually. Varun and Sid together could romance one girl and he could romance two.
Yeah, but he's saying who would you like to take on?
which sport
No. Who? Which one of them would you like
which
to
one
take
and
on?
which sport also?
I'd like to take on Varun in probably the dance competition and the athletics और I think Siddharth would be a good challenge if he was there for kabaddi because he's tall and athletic.
जी तारा मेरा सवाल आपसे ये कि करण सर ने अभी कहा तारा that you are a very good voice, you sing very well. So अगर आपका competition अगर student के साथ तो पिछली student आलिया के साथ in the matter of singing, so what do you want to say about it?
I don't think we can compete. She sings beautifully in Hindi, and I'd love to sing with her one day, though. That I would love to.
And we're going to, before we end, we are going to make Tara sing.
No.
Yes.
Your left. Rahul here from the Filmy Charcha. मेरा सवाल आपसे ये था कि स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर की फर्स्ट सीरीज जब बनी थी, 2 एक्टर के लिए आपने 1 एक्ट्रेस रखा था, और अभी 1 एक्टर के पीछे 2 एक्ट्रेस है, तो आपको नहीं लगता कि वरुण धवन और सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा आपसे नाराजगी जताएंगे?
ऐसा यूनिक सवाल मैंने कभी लाइफ में नहीं सुना। इससे यूनिक सवाल
एक एक्टर के पीछे 2 लड़कियां नहीं है, तीनों साथ में, और ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं। I think the students are only supporting us, and all of them have been very, very sweet. Hopefully you'll see, you may see them in the film, maybe.
टाइगर आप इंजर्ड के बाद थोड़ा जमीन में आना पड़ा।
हेलो मेरा सवाल करण जी से है, करण जौहर।
हाँ जी बहुत मदद की। They really supported us along with of course our music label Z Music। तो इसीलिए हमने सोचा था कि ये हर स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर में जब भी हम बनाएंगे तो पहला गाना एक रेट्रो वाला गाना होगा।
मेरा सवाल तीनों स्टार कास्ट।
You can see it in student of the year. Competition is so much fun, so it's very motivating having new people. I think the industry needs new people all the time, so it's amazing.
जी आपके राइट और
ऐसा स्कूल आई थिंक रियल लाइफ में नहीं एग्जिस्ट करता है, बहुत लार्जर देन लाइफ है, तो काश मेरा स्कूल भी ऐसा होता, इतने हॉट लड़के होते कोई रियल मेमोरीज नहीं थी, ये काफी था। I had a blast in school and college, but nothing compared to what we've experienced in Student of the Year 2, and it's just been magical and amazing. Of course, it's with Tiger and has to win.
We have last 2 questions, ladies and gentlemen. Yes.
ये करण सर करण सर हाँ अरे टीवी देगा ना क्या गुलाब का फूल सूंघ रहा है टीवी पे देखना कैसे है वो अच्छा तो है।
Did you girls have to work as hard and did anything like that happen?
I don't think I fainted, but there was lots of there were tears, there was blood, there was sweat, but we didn't faint. Yeah, no one fainted on our set. A lot has happened on the set, but we didn't faint.
And Alia, you have to know, is very accident prone. Like she faints even while standing. Once I remember she was standing and she fell. How did that happen? I don't know. Like that happened. So she just tripped standing, which is a very unique thing that Alia manages to do. Signing off to all of us.
प्रशांत पाटिए ना ओह आई लव यू
Just say something sing something that you want to send out as a feeling to everyone who's giving us love as we speak.
Okay guys, this is